Discover the timeless charm of Hang Dao Street in Hanoi. Nestled in the heart of Hanoi's Old Quarter, Hang Dao Street is a fascinating blend of history, culture, and modern commerce. Once a bustling silk trading hub, this iconic street has evolved into a vibrant shopping destination, attracting both locals and tourists alike. As you stroll along Hang Dao, you'll find a mix of traditional markets and contemporary boutiques, offering everything from silk fabrics and souvenirs to trendy fashion items. Whether you're searching for authentic Vietnamese handicrafts or stylish apparel, this street has something for everyone. But shopping isn't the only highlight. Hang Dao Street is also a gateway to Hanoi's rich culinary scene. From steaming bowls of pho to delicious street snacks, food lovers can savor local flavors while soaking in the energetic atmosphere. Throughout the year, cultural events and festive celebrations bring even more life to this already bustling street. Conveniently located and easy to navigate, Hang Dao Street is a must-visit for those looking to experience the essence of Hanoi. Whether you're here to shop, eat, or simply explore, this charming street promises an unforgettable journey through the city's past and present. Ready to explore? Let Hang Dao Street take you on an adventure through history, culture, and modern vibrancy.